Hello guys, welcome back to the another interesting video of my channel. So guys, after a long time we are making a tech related video, that too about tech news. I'm really excited guys, so please make that like button into blue. So before starting the tech news, a small request guys, if you are watching without subscribing, please subscribe guys. It will be more helpful for me. So without any delay, let's start the tech news. So guys, the first tech news is about IG. IG is nothing but Instagram has spotted testing a caption sticker in stories of auto-generated closed captions. What is going on? And Twitter speed slowed down in the Russia over failures to remove the banned content, as there is nothing to shock because every time the Twitter is going on hacking, slowing down the speeds and all. So finally we have got a SSD from Samsung known as Samsung 980 NVMe M02 SSD, launched as company's first less of DRAM less offering. Price in India starts at 6,500 rupees, which is in the mid price. I won't say it is very low, I won't say it very high, because it is at affordable price. So YouTube started deducting taxes from creators outside the US. Oh my god, what is about my monetization? Okay, we'll keep it aside and move on to the next. So Mi 10s comes with 108 megapixel quad camera setup and exotic Snapdragon 870 SoC processor. And next, about the Insta360 has launched a new camera known as Go 2 Action Camera, launched in India at $299. I think it is approx 22,425 rupees. So what are these prices guys? So next, let us talk about Fortnite. Fortnite makes Epic Games at the Google Australia to get a legal fight against the tech giants over controlled on App Store. So we, Vodafone and Idea, combined together and made a provider we. So they are giving 1 year of Disney Plus Hotstar VIP subscription to their prepaid or postpaid subscribers. Even I also want to give gifts to my subscribers, but after 100 subs. So make it fast guys. Hope you all make our channel 100 subscribers. So let's go on to the tech news. So Sony has launched a flagship camera known as Alpha 1, which records the camera at 8K quality. That's why I love Sony cameras. If you are planning to buy a new camera, please buy this. I will recommend you, which is highly recommended camera from my side. So last but not the least guys, Asus ROG phone has launched 5 phone 5. ROG means nothing but Republic of Gamers. So it has awesome specs which I don't want to reveal now. I'll make a detailed video tomorrow, so stay tuned guys. And they launched this phone at 4:15 p.m. today. So guys, this is the today's tech news. I'm ending it for now guys. Please stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope we might reach 100 subscribers fast. And see you guys, bye.